Hi guys, welcome back with the third and no, not the third, the second regular Sudoku. A medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, December the 15th, 2021. And I've told you, we have only regular Sudokus. Killer Sudoku, Binary, and a Medium Sudoku. No extra Sudokus, no additional. So I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's Tuesday, December the 14th. We have one puzzle left. 1 star. 2 puzzles. 2 stars. And we have a tectonic with 1 star left. And the binary. So 4 puzzles are left in the yesterday's additional. I will do that after these regular puzzles. Yes. And I've told you the news of today. Yes. Yesterday the government had decided to continue with the restrictions till January the 14th. So evening lockdown we have, and the schools are going to close a week before Christmas holidays. Yes, and yeah, the Omicron is coming very soon. In 2 weeks, I think a lot of people will be infected by the Omicron. Yes, but right now, let's continue with the puzzles. This will be number 3831. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star has 27 printed digits. So I need to be faster than, let's say, 14 to 15 minutes. Okay, I need to be faster, because for 27 printed digits, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Maybe for 28, faster than 14. We will see. So let's get started. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There, 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers now. 2 of those missing numbers. 2. Really? Yeah, 2. 4 and 8 are missing in this big square. We have a 4 and an 8 in the third column. So no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in. No. Made a mistake. We already have 4 here. Alright, 8 in this third column. 8 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the third row. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. What are those 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, 2, 6, and the 7 is missing, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left on this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 and the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 4. Interesting. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1 and 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. All right. Okay, 1 number left. In the second column for the number 1, the 2 is missing. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. All right. Then. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. Alright, 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. Let me try with the number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay, let me see. The 3, I cannot continue. Well, we have a 3 in this row, the 3 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Okay. 2. Okay. Let me see. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this row. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 5. How about? Yeah. 6. We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yeah. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 1, 4, 3. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Okay. Yeah. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this last column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. Then. These 2 missing numbers in the first row are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and an 8 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1. This box should be an 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes here. 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers. This big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finished. Yes, faster than 14, 15 minutes. Well. I like this one, yes. I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.